Imagine automating your lead generation and sales processes, allowing you to focus on closing deals and growing your business. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how AI tools like Apollo.io and Seamless.AI can revolutionize your sales strategy. Today, we're diving into how AI is transforming lead generation and sales automation. With the right tools, you can streamline your sales pipeline, enhance productivity, and drive revenue growth. First up is Apollo.io. This platform offers an extensive database of over 210 million contacts across 35 million companies. With advanced search filters, you can pinpoint your ideal leads based on industry, job title, location, and more. Apollo.io also provides AI-powered email sequences, automating your outreach and follow-ups, ensuring consistent engagement with potential clients. Next, let's talk about Seamless.AI. This tool uses AI to crawl the web in real time, finding, verifying, and validating contact information. It ensures you have the most accurate and up-to-date data for your sales efforts. Seamless.ai also offers contact enrichment, providing additional insights to help you understand your leads better and tailor your approach. By integrating Apollo.io and Seamless.ai into your sales process, you can automate lead generation, enhance data accuracy, and streamline communication. This integration allows you to focus on building relationships and closing deals while the AI handles the heavy lifting. Implementing AI in your sales strategy offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, higher conversion rates, and a more targeted approach to prospecting. With AI handling routine tasks, your sales team can dedicate more time to strategic activities that drive growth. Looking to further enhance your sales automation? Check out engineshark.com. They offer AI-powered solutions designed to streamline your sales processes, from lead generation to customer relationship management. Visit engineshark.com to learn more about how they can help you supercharge your sales efforts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insights on leveraging AI for your business success. Drop a comment below with your favorite AI tool, and I'll see you in the next video.